Today, we're diving into the world of quick and easy money transfers with Zelle. I'm going to walk you through the process of registering and setting up the Zelle. Ready to get started? Let's go. First things first, you need to download Zelle from your App Store or Google Play Store on Android. Simply search for Zelle. Tap download or install to get the app onto your device. Once installed, open the Zelle app. You'll be greeted with a home screen or welcome screen. Tap get started to begin the registration process. Next, you'll need to enter your mobile number. Zelle uses this number to verify your identity and link your account. Enter your number and tap continue. You'll receive a verification code via text message. Enter this code in the app to verify your phone number. This step is crucial for securing your account. Next, you need to link your bank account to Zelle. Tap Add Bank Account and you'll be prompted to select your bank from a list if your bank is listed. Tap on it. If not, you can still add your bank manually. Log into your bank's online account using your banking credentials to authorize Zelle to connect with your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After linking your bank account, you'll need to create a profile. Enter your name and email address and set a secure password if prompted. Make sure your details are accurate so your transaction goes smoothly. Once your profile is set up, you can start sending and receiving money with Zelle. To send money, tap Send Money. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Specify the amount and add a note if you like. Tap Send to complete the transaction. To receive money, simply provide your email address or phone number to the sender. Zelle will notify you when you receive money and it will be deposited directly into your linked bank account. And that's it. You're now all set up and ready to use Zelle for fast and easy money transfers. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll help you out.